Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today I have an update for Origin Protocol OGN. So if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share it. It helps me so much, guys. And of course you can join our Telegram group chat where we discuss more about the crypto space. Let's see some important major support and resistance levels for the very short term. Right now I took this top for Fibonacci retracement down to this bottom here, right here. As you can see, this top and this bottom, and my major support levels that I want to look at are 1.18 USD and 0.97 cents. So these are our two major support levels, and of course we want to see a further more action if we break through this resistance level, guys, right here, 1.68 USD. So I'm looking forward to these levels. If you haven't added these Fibonacci retracement levels yet, do it, guys. On the trading view, minus 0.236, minus 0.5 and minus 0.618, they are golden and they can tell you some very important support levels for the short term when we are consolidating. So these are my support levels, my targets that I think OGN might hit. But now let's go to the MACD. You can see here the bearish cross on the 4-hour frame where the blue line went beyond the signal line, but I will stay more on the daily frame for MACD right now. As long as we are seeing this bearish scenario, of course we don't want to buy for the short term, but we don't usually see only MACD, we usually check other indicators as well, guys. So of course we will see that. For now we are having this bearish cross, and from the, I think, like 9 April, yeah, we had this big consolidation for OGN. Okay, let's go now to the RSI and the commodity channel index. I always tell you about these, guys. When we are having a bearish market, look at this. When the RSI is below 30, then we have a very good buying opportunity. We see it going upwards. We see it having some higher lows, but in overall we were consolidating, and of course we might hit even lower price support levels. But if you want to daily trade and to take profits from a bearish market, then you can invest when the RSI is below the 30, and of course when the commodity channel index, guys, is below minus 100. That's the most common thing you want to do. When it is below minus 100 and we're in a bearish market, you can invest and always have a profit target at around 5 to 10% or whatever you want, because you want to take profits in 1 or 2 days. Okay, so that's the way you can take profits, and that's why we saw this price action right there, because we had minus 100 commodity channel index and the RSI was close to 30. Even if the RSI is close to 30, we can take profits, because when the commodity channel index is below minus 100, then we will surely go upwards for the very short term. Okay, so right now we go to the Bollinger Bands and the MACD, and of course we are in the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. You saw here we had some good buying opportunities, good buying pressure when we reached the bottom Bollinger Band here, and of course right here. But right now we are consolidating. You can see the SSL, the red line, is above the green line here. So when we have this, we don't have a buying opportunity according to SSL, of course. And when we are extending the top Bollinger Bands, guys, you always know we are consolidating back. We have a very high risk. Okay, so right here we saw the daily cross for the MACD back on 13 April. It didn't look good. We are having this bearish situation. The more the distance, the more the risk, and you can see here back on 9 April we had a very high distance, so it was a selling opportunity, as well as it is the opposite for the MACD and the orange line. The more the distance we have for the MACD, when it is beyond the signal line, the orange line, the more the buying opportunity we have. Okay, so right now things don't look good for the very short term for OGN. I will tell you exactly my price analysis afterwards. Let's see OGN against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. We saw this bearish cross back there, guys, at 13 April to 14 April, where the DMA went above the 30-day MA and the 20-day MA. It still stays as it is We almost saw the 20-day EMA reaching and going above the 30-day EMA, but we didn't manage to do it. Right now we have a furthermore consolidation, and I think my possible targets if we consolidate more, if we are going downwards for OGN are 0.402547, the first one, and of course the next one might be 0.4022 for the OGN against Bitcoin chart. That's why you see many zeros, because we divide Origin's price to Bitcoin's price as well. So when we hit these support levels, of course we will talk about that later. Right now I think we will go a bit downwards if Bitcoin corrects more, of course. Let's see the OGN against Bitcoin in the daily frame. Still looks good, guys. The 50-day EMA in the daily frame for the midterm, of course, it is the support line. You can see here we have the buying pressure on the 50-day EMA, and of course right now they are playing the resistance support role as well. The 50-day EMA plays the support role, but the 20 and the 30-day EMA playing the resistance role for now. But as long as we are seeing the 50-day EMA beyond the 20-day and the 30-day EMA, we are looking good for the mid-term. But of course, guys, I would suggest to buy now. Of course, let's see the risk we had up here till we reach the 20-day EMA. You can see the distance between the price back on 8 April, the distance between the price and the 20-day EMA. The reason we were consolidating, we wanted to let the 20-day EMAs reach the price. Okay, we want to tell these lines here, we want to let them reach the price. And of course the MACD for the daily frame for OGN against Bitcoin, same as the USDT, almost the same. Okay, but still look good. We don't want to see at the 20-day EMA going beyond the 30 and the 50-day EMA as well. Let's talk about some price action here, the recent price action, where the potential hit targets could be for OGN against Tether USDT in the 4-hour frame. Right now, guys, if Bitcoin corrects more, OGN will correct more, and it will go down to minus 0.236 and minus 0.5 levels. Okay, so right now we don't want to see it going down, because I think that if it go down from here, then we will hit this target 1.19 USD and this target 0.97 or 97 cents. Okay, I think these are the possible targets as we go further down, because I think if Bitcoin corrects more, which I think will do, then we will go further more downwards as well for OGN against USDT. But a buying opportunity would be if we can go furthermore from this price, of course, and if we can jump back from 2.18, if we go above this level, then things will look good again for the Origin. But for now, we should see these support levels 1.19 to 20 USD and 97 to 98 cents. That's what the price targets are for now, for the very short term. And of course, I want you to be patient and wait till we see the price action, because right now, guys, if you sell your position, then you are in a loss. Never sell your position when you are in a loss. You always want to hold, even if you've bought here and we drop down, even if you bought at the top, you always want to hold, because if you don't sell, you haven't lost anything. You haven't lost any amount of money if you don't sell, but if you sell, you are in a loss. So again, this is some mistakes that many people in the beginning do, because they panic and they say, oh my god, where are we going? But that's cryptocurrency, guys, with its corrections and with its pumps. We all know what cryptocurrency market is. We can pop up 20% in a day, then fall 40%. It has the corrections. It is possible to do that, and of course we need to remain calm and not panic, because when you sell here in a loss position, you lose your money. Hold, and of course better days are coming. For now, wait till we see a further more correction for OGN, which I think we might experience here if Bitcoin corrects even further. Of course, that is just my opinion, guys. You should always do your own research, but I think we might as well hit the minus 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, 1.20 USD or 98 cents, minus 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. If we go even beyond, then we will just hit this 0.88 cents. Okay, so we might even hit this target here, but we will just talk about the first two I talked about, and then afterwards we might see if we hit new bottom target for OGN. And of course we want to see the 50-day EMA going beyond the 20-day EMA and the 30-day EMA. The volume here is low. As you can see, we had a high volume, but it wasn't enough to push the pressure upwards more. We had a low volume right now, and let's see where we will go. So thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and of course stay healthy and remain strong. Don't panic, guys. Never sell your position. Have a fantastic day. Bye.